A very good morning, dear children. Today we will discuss about the reduced portion for the year 2020-21 due to COVID-19. This portion is of Maharashtra State Board only. So today we are going to discuss the portion reduced for 9th standard for the subject Science 1. So children, when I will tell you page number, that time you have to write there reduced portion due to COVID-19, but you have to write with the help of pencil only, because next year these textbooks are used by other children. Okay, so you have to write with the help of pencil only, and this portion reduced only for year 2020-21. Now, first of all, we will see term-wise plan of chapters. So, in the first term for Science 1, there are 5 chapters. First chapter is Laws of Motion, second chapter is Work and Energy, third chapter is Current Electricity, fourth chapter is Measurement of Matter, and fifth chapter is Acids, Bases and Salts. In the second term, there are 4 chapters for Science 1, that is Chapter number 11, Reflection of Light. Chapter number 12, Study of Sound. Chapter number 13, Carbon and Important Element. And chapter number 14, Substances in Common Use. Now we will see the chapter wise reduced portion of the Science 1. Now let us see. Now chapter number 1, that is Laws of Motion. In case of this chapter, on page number 1, can you tell, the questions are there, this portion is reduced from your syllabus. Now in case of first page only, there is let's try this, in that 2 questions are there. This also omitted from your syllabus. In case of page number 1, think about it, that also omitted from your syllabus. Again on the same page, that is page number 1, from the word in the above example to the word is it, this is also omitted from your syllabus. So though this omitted part, but you have to at least read one time, because on the basis of this portion only, in case of higher classes, there are some concepts. So at least one time you have to revise this syllabus. Okay. Now on page number 2, there are use your brain power. These questions are reduced, means this question will not teach by your teacher. These questions are for your self-study only. Now on page number 2, always remember. This question is also for self-study. Always remember, that is blue colored box. That is also for your self-study children. Okay. Now on page number 3, there is again always remember, that is blue colored box is there. That part is excluded from your syllabus. Now on page number 4, let's try this. That is one activity is given, that is for your self-study children. Now on page number 5, use your brain power, that is orange colored box is given, that is also reduced from your syllabus. On page number 6, again there is use your brain power, orange colored box is there, that is also omitted from your syllabus. On page number 9, let's try this, in that from the word observe to the word such a motion, this part is reduced from your syllabus. Now on page number 10, try out and think about it. This part is also excluded from your syllabus. On page number 11, solved examples are given, children. That is example number 1 and example number 2. These examples are very easy. In these examples, only in the formula you have to put the values and do calculation. So these two examples are for your self-study. Now on page number 13, there is let's try this. In that A and B part is given. Means in A part there are two questions, in B part also there are two questions. So this part is omitted or reduced from your syllabus. Now on page number 14, again there is let's try this activity is given. That is there are two questions, question 1 and question 2. These two questions are also omitted from your syllabus. Now on page number 14, there is one question, that is use your brain power. On page number 14 only, use your brain power, that is blue colored box is given, children. That use your brain power questions omitted from your syllabus. Now we have seen, children, the reduced part of chapter 1, that is laws of motion. Now let us see the reduced part for the chapter 2, that is work and energy. In case of page number 18, use your brain power questions are given, children. That is yellow colored box. That part is omitted from your syllabus. On page number 20, that is think before your answer. This part is for your self-study, children. Okay, means you have to revise it and you have to learn, but that is your self-study. On page number 21, that is try this. One activity is given, children. This activity you have to do it at home. Simple activity is there, children. That is in that you want one cup, then thread and nut only. You can do very nicely at home. Now on page number 21, that is institute at work. Violet colored box is given and that part is also reduced from your syllabus. On page number 23, that is use your brain power questions are there. That part is for your self-study. On page number 24, try this. That is 3 questions are there for try this. This activity also you can do it at home. Simple activities are there. Okay. If possible, you can do it at home only. On page number 25, try this. That is one activity is given. This activity from make 2 pendulums to the word to the other. This activity also you can do it at home. Now on page number 27, an introduction to scientists, that is yellow colored box is given. That also you can read one time, but that part is not for your syllabus. This year, that is year 2020-21. Now on page number 29, in case of page number 29, after your exercise questions, children, one project is given. That is that project name is, that is study the various instances of transformation of energy you see around you and discuss them in the class. So this project is omitted from your syllabus. Now we have seen the reduced part of chapter 2, that is work and energy. Now chapter number 3, that is current electricity, page number 30. On that try this. Try this students can do at home. Means this try this, in this they had asked one activity. This activity students can do it at home. Now on page number 32, an introduction to scientists, that is pink colored box is given. That part is excluded from your syllabus. But for your knowledge purpose, this introduction of scientists you can read at least one time, children. Now on page number 32, do you know there are some conversions, yellow colored box. That part is for your self-study. These conversions are very, very important. On page number 33, again do you know, that is pink colored box is there. There again conversions are there. That is for also your self-study. On page number 33 only, using ICT, that is orange colored box is there. That part is excluded from your syllabus. Now on page number 35, think about it. that is yellow colored box is there, that part is for your self study. Means you have to think and you have to give answer for that particular question. On page number 35, observe, that part is for your self study. You have to observe that things and you have to do your own study. On page number 36, symbols for components of an electric circuit and their uses are given. This chart is also for your self-study. Very important chart is there. Maybe in case of your exam, they can ask questions based on these symbols, components or their uses. On page number 36 only, try this, that is when activity is given. This activity is not there for your syllabus. On page number 37, try this, that is verification of Ohm's law or experimental proof of Ohm's law. This part is there. This part is not for your theory exam, children, but this part teachers can take at the time of your practical. Okay. Now on page number 38, there are solved examples are given. Total there are 4 solved examples, but example number 1 and example number 3, these 2 examples are for your self-study, children. Very simple examples are there. Formulas are given. You have to put only values and you have to do your calculations. On page number 38 only, using ICT, pink colored box is there. This part is not for your syllabus. Now on page number 40, do you know, that is pink colored box is given. This part is excluded from your syllabus. Now on page number 41, again do you know, that is pink colored box is given. That part is also excluded from your syllabus. On page number 43, that is there are some domestic electrical connections, that is yellow colored box is given. That part is not there for your portion due to COVID-19. Okay. Then on page number 43 only, precautions to be taken while using electricity, that is green colored box is given. This part is for your self-study. You have to read this and you have to learn this for your self-study, your own study, children. Now on page number 45. On page number 45, after finishing your exercise questions, children, there one project heading is given. So in that project, ask an electrician to explain to you the electrical wiring in your house and other related important points. Take care to understand them well and explain them to others also. This project excluded from your syllabus. So this is the excluded or omitted part of the chapter 3rd. Now we will see for chapter 4th. Now come to the chapter number 4, that is measurement of matter. So here some part is excluded from your syllabus, that we will see. On page number 46, after starting of that lesson, can you recall, these questions are there. There are total 3 questions, question 1 to question 3. These all 3 questions excluded from your syllabus. Now on page number 47, an introduction to scientists, that is blue colored box is given. That part is not for your syllabus. On page number 48, verification of the law of constant proportion, that is blue colored box is given. This part totally excluded from your syllabus. Okay. Now page number 48, that is can you recall, question 1 and question 2. These both the questions excluded from your syllabus. Now on page number 49, that is from the word atoms to the word of the atom, that is orange colored box is given, children, starting of that page number 49 only. And the atomic size to the atom of sodium, that is violet box. So orange box and violet box, both these box are not there for your syllabus, means that is omitted from your syllabus. Now on page number 50, can you tell, in that there are total 3 questions, question 1, question 2 and question 3. These all 3 questions omitted from your syllabus. On page number 51, 50 only. Molecules of elements and compounds topic is there. So in that, atoms of some elements to the different elements. This full paragraph omitted from your syllabus. Now on page number 50, that is make a list and discuss. So this question excluded from your syllabus. Now on page number 51, try this. There are 4 questions given, children. In this, try this. There are 4 questions. That is question 1, question 2, question 3 and question 4. So all these 4 questions excluded from your syllabus. Actually try these questions are one activity is given. So this activity excluded from your syllabus. On page number 51 only. Think about it. So that part also omitted from your syllabus. On page number 51 only, can you tell? There are total 3 questions. These all 3 questions are not there from your, that not there for your syllabus, means omitted from your syllabus. On page number 52, that is always remember. In that, violet box is given. This box is for your self-study, children. That is not omitted, that is for your self-study. On page number 53, again, can you recall? This part is there. So in this, can you recall? There are total 2 questions, question 1 and question 2. So this part is for your self-study, that is not omitted from your syllabus. On page number 53 only, science capsule, that is orange colored box is given. So that part also omitted from your syllabus. On page number 53 only, institute at work. In that, institute at work, yellow colored box is given. That is the national word to the polymer science. That part omitted from your syllabus. Okay. Now page number 54. Come to the page number 54, children. That is always remember. Yellow box is there. This always remember part not excluded from your syllabus. This is there for your syllabus but for your self-study only. On page number 54, research are given. That is yellow box. Yellow colored box is there. So this part is omitted from your syllabus. On page number 55, that is can you tell? Page number 55, can you tell question is there. This part is not excluded from your syllabus. That part is for your self-study, children. On page number 55 only, use your brain power. Question is also not omitted from your syllabus. This part is there for your self-study, children. Okay. Now come to the page number 55. That is using ICT. Orange colored box is given. That part omitted from your syllabus. Now on page number 56, there are some basic radicals or acidic radicals, that is ions and radicals. That one box is given, children. So that box is for your self-study. That box is not omitted from your syllabus, children. Keep in mind. Okay, that is for your self-study. Which are the acidic radicals and which are the basic radicals. So this was the omitted portion or excluded portion for the year 2020-21 for the chapter 4 only. Now we will see for the chapter 5. Now come to the chapter 5, children. Chapter number 5, that is acids, bases and salts. So in this there is page number 58. So on this page number 58, full page is omitted from your syllabus, that is acids, bases and salt. But children, there are some acidic radicals, basic radicals and type of the compound. So at least one time you have to revise it. This is excluded for this year, but maybe there are some concepts related to this topic next year. So don't omit it. At least one time you have to go through this page. Now page number 59. In this, from the word now to the word acids, bases and salt. These 2 lines are there. These 2 lines not there for your syllabus. Now on page number 59, can you recall? This question is there. This part is for your self-study, children. That is not omitted. For your self-study you have to revise it. On page number 60, use your brain power. That is question 1 to question 3. Means there the total 3 questions are there. This part is omitted from your syllabus. Now on page number 62. On page number 62 again use your brain power. Questions are there. 2 questions. These 2 questions are omitted from your syllabus. Now on page number 66. Come to the page number 66. There is always remember. That is yellow colored box is given, children. That part is for your self-study. Again on the same page, that is page number 66 only. That is use your brain power. Pink colored box is given. That part is also for your self-study. On page number 66 only, one activity is given, children. That is try this. So this activity starts from take a big test tube to the form the salt, means acid to form the salt. This activity excluded from your syllabus. Now on page number 67, use your brain power. Questions are given. That is question 1 to question 3. So these all 3 questions are not there for your syllabus, children. Now on page number 69, come to the page number 69. On this page number 69, the word from the word that is repeat to the word chemical equations. Okay, from the word repeat to the word chemical equations. That is one small yellow colored box is given. That is faint yellow colored box is given. That part is not there for your syllabus. That is excluded from your syllabus. On page number 72, come to the page number 72. On that page number 72, that is always remember. That is violet colored box is given. That box is for your self-study, children. That is not excluded from your syllabus. That you have to do for your self-study. On page number 72 only, use your brain power. Again violet box is there. That part is excluded from your syllabus. Now come to the page number 73. That is research. So in this research topic, this part is omitted from your syllabus. This research is not there for your syllabus this year. That is omitted from your. After looking the excluded part of the first term of science 1, we are going to see excluded part for the term second. That is second term. So in that second term for science 1, 11th chapter is there. Chapter number 11, that is reflection of light. In that 115 page number is there. On that page number, can you recall questions are there? Question number 1 and 2. Both excluded or reduced from your syllabus. Now on the same page number, one small paragraph is given, children. That is from the word light to the word reflects regularly. That is second paragraph from the page number 115. That small paragraph is excluded from your syllabus. Now on the same page number, one topic is there, children, an introduction to scientists. That is yellow colored box is given. That box is excluded from your syllabus. Now on the page number 115, can you recall question is there? That question is excluded from your syllabus. Now come to the page number 116, children. That is on that page number, can you tell questions are there downside? Question number 1 and question number 2. These both the questions are for your self-study, children. These are not excluded from your syllabus. Now come to the page number 170. On this page number, there is try this one topic is given. Okay, means one small activity is given. So this activity students have to do at home. Okay, means this is not excluded. Students can do this activity at home. That is not compulsory. You can do this activity at home. Now on page number 117 only, one more topic is there. That is try this only. Okay, so this try this topic. In case of this try this topic, one experiment is given. So this experiment teacher should teach at the time of practical. This teacher will explain this topic at the time of their practical. So which practical? That is from the word now change to will we see means how many images will we see. Up to that topic or up to that there is a try this activity is there. This activity, same activity is given in your practical journal also children. So teacher can explain this activity at the time of practical. This is not excluded. This is excluded for theory purpose, but this is there for practical exam. Now come to the page number 123. On this 123 page number, there is one topic that is try this. This try this topic is for your self-study children. Okay. So which try this topic? That is 123. One topic is given that try this topic is for your self-study. Okay. Means on the second side, this try this topic is given, that is divergence and convergence of light. That topic is for your self-study children. That is not excluded from your syllabus. Try this means one activity is given. Now come to the page number 124. On that page number 124, properties of concave mirrors are given. Okay. Which properties? Properties of concave mirrors are given. Properties or characteristics of concave mirror. These properties are excluded from your syllabus. That is on page number 124. Now come to the page number 127. On page number 127, always remember this topic is there, that is violet color box. This topic is excluded from your syllabus children. So this is the reduction or this is the excluded portion, omitted part of chapter 11. Now we will see now chapter number 12, that is study of sound. See the page number 128. In that 128 page number, research topic is given. In that there are two questions asked. These two questions excluded from your syllabus. On page number 129, there is one activity, that is try this. In this activity they asked here 4 questions. These 4 questions excluded from your syllabus. Now on page number 129 only, one orange colored box is given downside. That is the word the Italian up to accepted today. This orange colored box omitted from your syllabus. Now come to the page number 130, that is 130. A peep into the past, that is orange colored box is there. This omitted from your syllabus. This at least one time you can read children. Now on page number 131, uses of ultrasonic sound is given. Okay, means which are the uses of ultrasonic sound? This part is not omitted from your syllabus. This is for your self-study children and very important topic. Uses of the ultrasonic sound. This is for your self-study. This is not omitted part children. Keep in mind. Now on this same page number 131, try this one topic is given. So this try this topic, teacher should teach at the time of their practical. Try this means reflection of sound. This small activity is there. The same activity or same experiment we have to see in case of our practical journal. So this is not omitted. This is for your practical purpose only, not for your theory purpose. Now come to the page number 132. On this 132 page number, there is one question, that is use your brain power. This question is omitted from your syllabus. On the same page number 132, there is science in the surrounding, that is orange colored box is given. So this orange colored box omitted from your syllabus. On the same page number 132 only, compare the two cases. That box is given blue colored box. This is not omitted from your syllabus. This is for your self-study children. Okay, so you have to learn and you have to do your self-study. Now on page number 133, use your brain power question is there. That question omitted from your syllabus. Now come to the page number 134. On page number 134, there is one small topic, that is find out. This orange colored box omitted from your syllabus. Now come to the page number 134 now, on the same page only. Always remember, that is violet box is there. So this box omitted from your syllabus. Okay, this is for your reading purpose only. That on this box there is no question. Now come to the page number 136. On page number 136, there are 3 solved examples are there. So this all 3 examples, not only third example, means example number 3rd only. Okay, that 3rd example is for your self-study children. This is not omitted. That example is not omitted, only for your self-study. Simple example is there, means wavelength and velocity example is there. In that you have to put only values and you have to do calculation. So that example is for your self-study. Now on page number 136 only, downside one small orange colored box is there, children. So that box, from the word the sonar technology to the word even in the dark, up to that this orange colored box omitted from your syllabus. So this is the reduction or excluded portion of the chapter 12. Now we will see excluded portion for chapter number 13. Chapter number 13. Chapter number 13, that is carbon, an important element. We will see excluded part of this chapter. Now page number 138. On that page number, can you recall? These 3 questions are there. All these 3 questions excluded from your syllabus. On the same page, try this when activity is given. This activity, on this activity, in this activity, there are 2 questions, that is question 1 and question 2. See, both these questions excluded from your syllabus. Now, on the same page number downside, can you tell? One question is there, that question also excluded from your syllabus. Now come to the page number 113. An introduction to scientist, that is green colored box is there. That green colored box also excluded from your syllabus. Now on the page number 139 only. Okay, science capsule, one topic is there, that is orange box, that is also excluded from your syllabus. Now come to the page number 140. A peep into the past, that is orange colored box is given, that is also excluded from your syllabus. Now come to the page number 141. In this page number, try this one activity is given, that is flow of electric current through graphite. That activity is there. This activity students can do at home. If your wish, you can do it at home. Now come to the page number 144. On this 144 page number, use your brain power topic is there. Question 1 and question 2. Both these questions excluded from your syllabus. Now on the same page number 144 only, try this one activity is given, children. So this activity teacher should teach at the time of their practical. Okay, that activity name is what? Reaction of carbon with oxygen. This is not for your theory purpose, but at the time of practical, teacher can explain this activity to you. Now come to the page number 144 and 145. So on page number 144 downside, try these activities there, and that is going to finish on the page number 145. So this activity teachers can teach at the time of your practical. This same activity we have to see in case of our practical journal. Okay. Now come to the page number 144 only. Downside, use your brain power. That question is there. That is also excluded from your syllabus. Now come to the page number 148. Using ICT. That green colored box is there. That is excluded from your syllabus. Now on page number 148 only, find out the topic is there, that is yellow box, that is also excluded from your syllabus. Now this was the reduction for chapter number 13. Now we will see the reduction for chapter number 14. Now chapter number 14, substance in common use, that is substances in common use. In case of this chapter, on page number 150, can you recall? Two questions are there. These both questions are not there for your syllabus. On the same page number 150, classify one topic is there. This is also reduced from your syllabus. On page number 150, there is, do you know that yellow colored box is there? This box is not there for your syllabus. On the same page number 150, try this one activity is given. That activity also excluded from your syllabus. Now on page number 151, do you know that is violet color box is there, salt information is given, that information is not for your syllabus. Now come to the page number 151 only. One small yellow colored box is there, that is from the word the 25% up to the word from the solution. That yellow colored box excluded from your syllabus. Now come to the page number 152. On that page number 152, one small research topic is given. What are the constituents of baking powder? Where is the baking powder used? That excluded from your syllabus, means that question is not for your syllabus. Now on the same page number 152 only, find out in that two questions asked, these both questions are not there for your syllabus. Now come to the page number 155. On that page number 155, an introduction to scientist, one topic is there. That topic is not for your syllabus, that is blue colored box. And on the same page number, an introduction to scientist, orange box is there. That is also not there for your syllabus. Now come to the page number 156. There is natural radioactivity. That topic is there, that is of blue box. Okay. So in that natural radioactivity, from the word generally to the word radioactive elements, that paragraph excluded from your syllabus. At least one time you can read that paragraph. Now on page number 157, on that page number 157, yellow colored box is there, children. Big yellow colored box. Okay, that is radioactive isotopes are used in various fields as follows. That topic excluded from your syllabus. Now come to the page number 158. On that page number 158, orange colored box is there, that is a peep into the past. That orange colored box excluded from your syllabus. Now on page number 158 only, always remember topic is there, that is violet box. That is also excluded from your syllabus. Now come to the page number 159, that is find out one question is there. That question is not there for your syllabus. Now come to the page number 159, that is try this one activity is given. So this activity also excluded from your syllabus, children. Now come to the page number 160, that is can you tell. So this part also excluded from your syllabus. So on that can you tell, only one question is there. So that question you don't have to do for your study purpose. Now on page number 161, so on that page number, there is one topic, that is blue colored box is there. That box name is, this is how a ceramic article is made. That blue colored box also excluded from your syllabus. So this was the reduction for chapter number 40. Now in case of the science one, whatever excluded part is there, children, or whatever scientist information is there, though they are excluded for the year 2020-2021, but at least one time you have to revise it all, so that at least you will get knowledge of that subject or knowledge of that information. This part is excluded from your, not from your textbook, only for your year only, means for the year 2020-2021. Thank you for your attention, children.